and this time we're in Hudson, Florida at our boondocker host Michael and his cute little dogs
Dusty and Delta.
Yep, Mike is very friendly. We can use his pool and we do some laundry. We have a nice spot in the backyard. Well, just like in the shower. Just like last year. We were here a year ago and now we're back.
Pretty awesome.
That's awesome.
Pretty awesome.
Oh, gadget.
And maybe 3 miles from our host location in Hudson, Florida is the
Weeki Wachee Preserve, and it's close to Weeki Wachee Spring, but that is something different. That's with the mermaids. We've been there before, but this is just a nature area with a lot of crystal clear lakes.
Yeah,
and
like
it's
Kool-Aid
beautiful.
lakes. Looks like Kool-Aid, but don't drink the Kool-Aid.
Get off me! Oh no, this is horrible!
Whoops! Missed it! Today we're at Wachee Preserve in Inverness in Florida, and you might be wondering, what is the trip with the two blondes the last couple of weeks? Well, trying to get from Venice, Florida to Mission, Texas, so that's a period.
I think I just had my first period.
of like
6 months.
6 months.
It takes 6 months.
So we take our time to get there, and probably you were wondering, I haven't seen that much of vlogs of Two Blondes. Well, that's because our camera died. So we had to buy a new one from eBay. So finally can make some more footage for you and make some more vlogs.
Well, it was kind of funny.
Really funny.
Because I screwed kind of up. Because this was loose, the screen.
Must be some kind of bad connection.
So I
Swivel.
watched it on YouTube how you could fix it.
Let me demonstrate. If I plug it into the
And I tried to fix it. So I opened it all up and then I put it back together and the screen didn't work at all. So I fucked
She screwed it up. Yep. So we had to buy a new one, but luckily we found one exact same on eBay for $100. So feel free to donate.
No, you always begging for money.
No, we're good. So today we're in Wachee Preserve, and it's a beautiful nature area. Again from the Watermanagement.org. Let's explore the area.
And I want to tell that there are like more campsites here. You have 2 entrances, and one entrance is here, Hootie Point, and that's where we're at the river. And the other point is like, I don't know the address, but there is a primitive campsite and a horse campsite. And there are a lot of bugs here.
In fact, don't take it seriously, we're only bugging.
So I'm bugging by the bugs because they're biting us. And the first night we let the door open a bit too long and the little no-see-ums came in and we didn't sleep at all.
No,
so
horrible.
It's kind of horrible, but that's the price you pay if you are on the water, kind of.
Yeah, and it's freaking warm here, so try to get some shade.
And here is the beautiful river. Of nice trails and kiosks, and the kiosks look brand new, and the same is for the porta potties. They are super clean and new. This is one of the trails. It's a new trail from 2.2 miles and it's scary because it's a dark forest. And they did a great paint job. Look at this, the blue one and the orange one for the trails.
Got your bum, got your bum.
I always thought that Florida didn't have a lot of nice nature, but I was completely wrong because it's beautiful here. also have like backcountry campsites, and you can't go there with your car, you have to walk in, but it are beautiful sites at the water as well. Look, somebody made little birds here. Yum, 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 sausage. And we have this now.
The next day.
Well, it's still early, it's 7 a.m. and I just woke up, but I wanted to show the river because it's beautiful. It's a little bit foggy, just like my head at this moment, but it's awesome.
We were supposed to stay 7 days at Wachee Preserve in Inverness in Florida, but Miley here, she got bitten by the no-see-ums, so it's no fun for her anymore. So we're moving out 2 days earlier.
Nee, dat gaat niet. Onder keer weg. Doe me nu. Ja?
Say hi! Follow us on YouTube, Two Blondes, Two USA.
En kiosks en de kiosks